Hi guys, how are you doing today? Welcome to Just Styling with Veronica, and I'm Veronica Anderson. And on this page here, we talk about fashion, beauty, and what about being me? Being me, we're going to talk about Veronica, things that she does in general in life and what I do in life. So let's get started. Today we're going to talk about cleaning our makeup brushes. So in this video, guys, you will not be seeing my face. You will only be seeing my hands. So I'm going to let you know that up front. So today what we're going to be using this makeup brush cleaner, which I purchased on Prime. So I want to do a little review of it, and I want to do it with you guys. So I want to share it with you. So this brush here, this cleaner here, it cleans makeup brushes and sponges. So today what we're going to do, we're going to be cleaning sponges. So I'm going to show you my sponge, and I do not want you to judge me because my sponge is dirty, in which that is okay because that's why we're cleaning them, right? So what you do here, you see right here, this, you fill it up with water and you put it to the max when they have max right here. This is the on and off button right here. So, and they do have a top to go with it for you to put it on while it's cleaning. And the hose in here is for your makeup brushes. But today, what we're gonna do, clean our sponge because my sponge needs to be clean. And we fill it up there, and I'm going to use Dawn. Dawn is so good to be cleaning things that we need cleaning. So look, I'm going to show you my sponge. Do not judge me. Again, do not judge me, okay? Because I know somebody on here has a dirty sponge. Just kidding. But here's my sponge. It is dirty. It is not clean at all, guys. So what we're going to do today, clean that. So I'm going to put it in here, and I'm just going to dunk it down just like that to get it soaked up. And now what I'm going to do is place the top on it just like this, and I'm going to push the button. And as you can see, it's cleaning it up real well. And it's not loud. It's very you can hear it going, but it's not really loud. It's very low with the noise. So low noise, that's good for me because I don't like a lot of noise, and that helps me out right there. It is really doing its job. I'm gonna bring it up closer so you can see how it is cleaning that brush up, that sponge. And you can see, look all the dirt coming off of that. I am so wrong for that, guy. Don't judge me. Again. So we doing it just like that, keeping it clean, and that what helps us out. And this is, you can plug it in. It's not a battery, so we don't have to worry about batteries with this. All you do is just plug it in with into the plug, and it is awesome. It works out fine. So I let it go about a few minutes, couple of minutes or 5 minutes, and get that done and clean it up. And then we're gonna take it out. How about that? So I'm gonna take it out and see how it looks. First, I'm gonna stop it right here to see how the sponge is going. Child, it act like it didn't want to stop. Oh, look at that. Look at that foam in there. Really working. Dawn does the job. So it is clean, but I'm gonna leave it in there some more to get it cleaner. So we just dunk it in there again because it needs to be clean.